Picture this: you wake up, your mind is clear, you already know what needs to happen today, and you just do it. No scrolling. No excuses. No talking yourself out of it. That's not luck. That's not personality. That's a trained skill, and today I'm going to teach you the exact system to build it, the Lotus Method. Before we go further, let's clear up one thing: discipline and motivation are not the same thing. Motivation is a flash of excitement. It shows up when you set a new goal, burns bright for a few days, then quietly disappears. Discipline is different. Discipline doesn't ask how you feel. It shows up anyway. And that's the real difference between people who achieve their goals and people who just talk about them. So how do you actually train it? That's what the Lotus Method is built for. Think about a lotus flower. It grows out of murky, chaotic water, yet it rises above it completely clean. Your discipline can work the same way. No matter how messy your environment or your schedule gets, you can rise above it. The method has 4 stages: root, stem, bloom, and thrive. Stage 1, root: build your foundation. Every strong plant starts with strong roots, and discipline is no different. Start by getting brutally clear on your why. A weak reason produces weak follow-through. Next, control your environment before you try to control yourself. Willpower is overrated when temptation is sitting right next to you. Keep your phone in another room while you work. Keep junk food out of the house. Remove the decision before it has to be made. And finally, start small. Not a full life overhaul: 1 push-up, 5 minutes of reading, 10 minutes earlier out of bed. Small wins compound into identity. Stage 2, stem: strengthen self-control. A lotus stem holds firm no matter how the water moves beneath it. Your self-control needs to work the same way. One simple tool: the 5-second countdown. The moment you feel yourself hesitating, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, move, before your brain has time to talk you out of it. Pair that with practicing delayed gratification. Let the urge to check your phone or grab a snack sit for a few minutes before you act on it. Every time you delay, you're proving to your brain that you're in charge, not your impulses. Stage 3, bloom: master deep focus. Once you've built control, it's time to direct it. A lotus only blooms once it reaches the surface, and your focus only blooms once distractions are gone. Use time blocking: set a specific window, silence notifications, put the phone out of reach, and commit to that one task with nothing competing for your attention. Stage 4, thrive: make it permanent. A lotus doesn't bloom once and stop, it keeps thriving. This final stage is about turning discipline into identity. Track your progress daily, even with something as simple as a check mark in a notebook. If you miss a day, don't let it become 2, the comeback matters more than the streak. And shift your language: stop saying, "I want to be disciplined," and start saying, "I am disciplined." Identity drives behavior far more than willpower ever will. That's the full method: root, stem, bloom, thrive. Pick one habit you want to build. Apply all 4 stages over the next 7 days. Track it. Watch what happens. If this helped you, hit subscribe, drop a comment with the habit you're working on, and I'll see you in the next one. Neurovexis Studio.